Located in the state of Florida, specifically Manatee County, is the Samoset District. This area has the highest unemployment rate, highest crime rates, highest poverty levels, and the most hunger in the entire county. We decided to do something about it. Job preparedness, providing a hand up, not a handout. Instead of focusing on each of the individual problems, we wanted to go to the root, which was the fact that people don't have enough money, and they don't have enough money because they don't have jobs. We met with our assistant principal, Rosa Daughtry, to secure a computer lab near the Media Center to hold job preparedness classes for 9 Saturdays, beginning on January 14th and ending on May 26th. The class topics were computer skills, resume writing, and interviewing techniques. Our advertising campaign was extensive. We put flyers up at 15 community locations, 30 sites on the Southeast High School campus, and we had 3,000 local homes receive a connected phone call explaining our classes. We also had articles published in the Bradenton Herald, our local newspaper, on the website of ABC 10 in Tampa, and in the April edition of the Manatee County Youth Commission newsletter.
We held the computer skills classes a total of 4 times. We had a guest speaker, Karen Stevens, come in for the first 3 computer skills classes, and she's a supply chain manager at Tropicana, and she taught the Excel portion. Us 4, we taught the Microsoft Word and the PowerPoint, and we kind of combined those and adapted the class to how we felt it was best applicable.
In our resume classes, we had a guest speaker come named Carol Pucher. She's been a human resource manager for 10 years and a CFO for 5 years in the healthcare business. So she gave a brief introduction to the students about how important a resume was and that it shows who you are, and that's your one chance before you meet your employer to show them what you have to offer. She went over with the students step by step on how to make a resume and the criteria that you have to put into not only a resume but also a cover letter and the thank you note you send to your employer after your interview. She worked to compile all this stuff and make them realize that even if they may not have real job experience, something in their lives has made them a good candidate for the job. And so what was really important was at the end of all of our classes with the resumes, all students left with a workable resume, which she proofread for them and then sent to them through email so that they're now ready to go out and apply for a job.
Came in here, did you think you had much experience?
I didn't think I had anything to offer, but I had more than I thought I did.
The interviewing skills class was incredible. We had 2 very qualified professionals come in. We had Jim Meisenheimer, he's author of 7 books and actually a public speaker. We also had Cynthia Vickers, she's head of Human Resource Department at Ringling Art Museum. The great thing about both of these speakers is they were both very captivating. All of the students and people came in, and by 20 minutes with these speakers, they were participating, they were excited, they were enthusiastic, they were ready to get a job.
We also created business cards that we distributed at each class.
We created a website on Google Sites, and it's this wonderful resource. We've got handouts on PowerPoint, Word, Excel. We also have these incredible videos that we've created, and they run through basic skills in interviewing and resumes.
The feedback from our anonymous surveys have proved our success. Out of the 83 total participants, 34 of them are now more proficient in computer skills. 19 of them have attended a resume workshop, which left them with a resume ready to go, and 30 have attended an interviewing techniques class, which has given them skills that will be beneficial throughout various aspects of their lives. But we're not stopping there.
We realized the need to have a typing class implemented in the elementary and middle schools because that's when children are most susceptible to learning and are most willing to pick up the learning.
We spoke at the April 9th school board meeting, and we met with the superintendent, Dr. McGonigal, to begin the process of implementing typing classes into Manatee County schools.
For the future of this project, we really hope to continue it on to the next year, but expand it a little bit more.
We hope to be working with the graduation coach at our school. He mainly deals with students that are at risk of dropping out or students that have told him that they are going to be dropping out. And so we're hoping to do a little more one-on-one or group sessions with them.
We also plan on implementing a GED program, and we're working with Manatee Technical Institute to have an adult education program. It's for 4 hours a week. This project has also impacted us. It feels really great.
And we're actually going to make a difference.
It's going to get there, and that's pretty exciting.
It's been an incredible